Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop, SNC Budget Creations, down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of November, we did have a thankful freebie, and so if you're interested in grabbing it, I'll link that as well. December will be a new savings challenge. I also joined a collaboration of ladies where we're supporting each other's channels and showing love. So it's been really cool to watch my channel grow and then interact with other budgeters. So that's something I've been really thankful for the month of November for sure. All the interaction and support from, you know, all the other budgeters out there, including the budgeters that don't have YouTube channels. I'm going to go ahead and run through my savings challenges, and then we'll go from there. Today I do not have my dice. I have my playing cards that are in our shop, SNC Budget Creations. I will link them if you're interested. So all you do is just shuffle them, and then you see how much money you're supposed to put into each savings challenge. I saw what was last, so I'm going to throw that in there. So I'm not cheating, but we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 that we are working with today. 20 bucks. So today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. If you celebrate it or otherwise, I think there's plenty to be thankful for. So whether you celebrate Thanksgiving, I'm sure you're thankful for something, and it doesn't take just this day for you to recognize what there is to be thankful for. So I won't go over all the things I'm thankful for, but I will say I'm very, very thankful for my children. They keep me grounded, especially when times are as chaotic and rough as I have been. There's a light in their eyes that I can totally appreciate, and seeing a lot of moments through their eyes has made me appreciate being a mom more than ever. So anyway, yeah, that's mostly what I'm thankful for, but tons of other things to be thankful for. Anyway, let's go ahead and pull out our savings challenges. Set this off to the side, and if you want to let me know what you're thankful for in the comments, feel free to do so. All right, so we have 1, 2, let's do like this. I think I have enough room here. I'll check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? I think that's how we'll do it. Because my setup is, I changed it again since the last time we met up. I changed it again. So let me just make sure that this is all in frame, because I'm just going to flip these players cards. 1 second. All right, looks like we are good to go. So what we're going to do is, oh man. Okay, so the first one is $1. I think what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and flip them on top. Oh my goodness. Misfortune. Flip again and add $2. So we're gonna have to pull the money, because there's no way. Okay, so here's $2, but we're gonna flip again. Crap. Already $2. Okay. All right. Well, I think I only have 2 misfortunes in here today, so that's good. $1. Okay. Oh, I forgot how intense the misfortunes are. Okay, $2, $3. Okay, let's see here. $1. And I just pulled the smaller numbers to work with since I only have 20 bucks today. $1. So hopefully I won't have an IOU. $1. Let's see. $2. And misfortune. Flip again and add $2. So we're just going to add the $2 here. Oh, okay, what do we have? $2 more. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're running out of money. We're also running out of cards though, so that's good, right? Right? 2. 1, 2. Okay. Oh shoot. Throwing it around. Okay, I have $3 left. $2. Okay. I have $1 left. $1. That could not have worked out better for me. Okay. Okay. What? See, something else to be thankful for right there. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna calm my excitement. That was perfect. So perfect. Okay, so what we're gonna do is count up what we are stuffing into our savings challenges today. And I will actually go over where I got these savings challenges from. They are all freebies. $1, $2, $3, $4 is going into this savings challenge. And I don't even have anything to write with. 1 second. All right, so I've gone ahead and grabbed a pink highlighter. We're gonna add this $4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and this savings challenge is from Bookish Mama Budgets. I will link her channel down below. Once again, these are freebies. And technically it's supposed to be each circled $2, but I'm only doing $1. So that way I can try to get through these savings challenges and get this money into my PTO cash envelope in my Christmas binder. Okay, set that off to the side. Next up we have $1 going into our savings challenge. This one's from Save with Rose. And I need my red marker. 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay. So $1 there. This one only needs 2 more bucks and it'll be finished here. Let's see. I'm going to count it up because I like to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bucks is what we have so far. And the last time we came together, I believe we completed a couple savings challenges. So, it's not always going to happen where I'm completing them each time, but I'd like to keep trying. All right, so let's put this aside. Oh yeah, this one got a nice chunk of change. All right, so this savings challenge, we're adding 2, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one only needs $1 more. Okay, and this one's from Windmill Ridge Budgets. It was a bunch of micro savings challenges, so I thought that was super cute. And I will link her channel as well. So in total, this savings challenge now has 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Yay! Once I get a little bit more cash in here and get some more of these savings challenges completed, I'm going to do another Christmas binder count so I can see where I am for Christmas. All right, so we are adding $3 into this savings challenge, and I think I was using green last time. Not that it matters one way or the other, but I think I do want to continue on with the green. We're going to add $3. All right, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice, nice, nice. This savings challenge is from 9 Blossoms, and I will link her channel as well. So we have 2, 3, 4. Okay. And hopefully the next time we come together, we'll be adding in more Christmas savings challenges. This one was more of a fall theme, like more color for fall, but I really wanted to use it. So, and the same with this one as well. So let's see what we're adding here. Ooh, that one got the misfortune. Okay. All right. This savings challenge is from Jessie Budgets. And we are adding 2, 3, 4, 5. $5. Oh, it looks like it just needs 4. Okay, so that means we can add the other $1 to the other savings challenges and complete a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 2, 3, 4. Let's set that $1 there for a second. And let's count up what we have actually saved here. Because this one will be going into my finished stack, and we can do a Christmas binder cash stuffing. All right, so this savings challenge from Jessie Budgets saved me 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Yeah. I really like completing the savings challenges. So what I'm going to do is, I think we're going to go ahead and add $1 to Windmill Ridge, and we will complete this savings challenge as well. I need a bale go. And next year I think I'm going to work on a bale, because I see all the ladies doing that. Donna's got us all wishing we had a bale even if we don't have one. So I'm going to go ahead and set this one off to the side, and I'm going to pull 2 more savings challenges in just a moment. But let's get through this last savings challenge that we're working with today. We're adding that last $1. I cannot believe that worked out so well. This savings challenge is from Budget with PJ. We're adding in $1. Boop. My cute little penguin. So, yes. Now the savings challenge has $2. So we need to make sure this one gets some misfortunes next week. We'll work on it. Okay. I'm going to grab 2 more Christmas savings challenges. Be right back. All right. So I have this savings challenge that says, them bills. Read it. Can you see it? This one's from G&L Budgeting Besties. Inappropriate, but totally this time of year, it's like, do we buy nice gifts or do we pay our bills? And I thought that was so cute. I had to have it. So we're going to put that one into rotation, as well as this one that says dead inside, but jolly AF. So cute. Cash Money Budgets. I've been using a lot of hers. So, we're going to go ahead and start these next time we come together. But we did complete 2 savings challenges today, which I am loving seeing that happen. And we will be back again to try to complete some more of these savings challenges to do a Christmas binder cash stuffing. But you guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.